Hello everyone, let's solve GATE paper CS1 question 59 of 2025. Consider a finite state machine FSM with one input X and one output F, represented by the given transition table, state transition table. Minimum number of state required to realize this FSM is. So we are given present state, next state for values of x of 0, x of 1, and outputs for x of 0 and x of 1. In order to solve this particular question, let's understand the prerequisites. And this is an interesting question. Let's first understand what a finite state machine is. A FSM is a model of computation with finite number of states, some set of inputs, some set of outputs, some transition, and an output function. There are two common types of it, a Mealy machine and a Moore machine. A Mealy machine has output based on the current state and input. A Moore machine output depends only on the current state. In Mealy machine, input is required. In Moore machine, our input is not. This particular problem involves Mealy machine because outputs are given for each state and input pair. So since state and input pair is being used, Mealy machine is what this problem involves. Let's talk about FSM minimization now. It is a process of reducing the number of states in a machine without changing the behavior. FSM minimization, very simple. Process of reducing the number of states in a machine without changing its behavior. Okay. What is the main idea? Two states are equivalent if no input sequence can distinguish them. That means for any input sequence, they give the same output. Two states are equivalent if no input sequence distinguishes them. That means for whatever input, they give the same output. What are the steps to minimize? Let's talk about that. Remove unreachable states. Partition the states on the basis of output. Okay, so let's try doing that. We will use partition refinement to separate the distinct states. Initial partition group the states that behave identically for all the inputs in terms of output. We will group all those states that behave identically for all the inputs in terms of the outputs. Okay. So if I try writing it now, then let me write that maybe A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So for this, let's write f of 0 and f of 1. So f of 0 and f of 1 I have to write. So f of 0 for this and f of 1 for this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. I can keep writing as many I want. I have to write 8 states here. Okay. So I'm actually exploring all the combinations or explorations or whatever it is. Okay. So 4 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. These are like for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. So this is what we wrote. We call this P of 0. We will group state that behave identically. So let's group the states F0 and F1. So F0 and F1. If I group them, then group 1 will be A, B, C because they have same like same output based on whatever input. Group 2 for whatever input they produce the same output. That I have to check. So D and H I can say because they produce D and H. They have a same like 1 comma 0. This has 0 comma 0. Group 3 have E and G, which is 0, comma 1. I group them. And group 4 is basically F, 1, comma 1. Okay. So this is much we figured out. ना पता चल गया अपने को. Let's define these partition on the basis of next states. That means transition going to the same. Let's track transition for each state along with which group the next state falls into. So this is where things are gonna get a bit interesting. This is where things are interesting. So kindly focus. We need to focus here. So we have a state. We have x0 के लिए. We have a group for x1. Then we have a group. Then we have a out. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H also we can write. So ठीक है. F, G and H. X0 will be F, D, F, G, D, F, uh, G, G. Okay. And then group. They will be add group info to the transitions. So this B and D will be P4, P2, P4, P3, P, P4, P2, P4, P3, and P2, P4, P3, P3. Uh, P4, P2, P4, P3, and P2, P4, P3, and P3. Okay. X is equal to 1 के लिए लिखो फिर अब तो it will be B C A C B H A B B C E A C E H A B H A, sorry, B H A. And we figure out group, so group P1, P1, P3, P4, sorry, P1, sorry, P1, P3, P1, and then P1, P1, P2, P1, 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 P2, and P1. Outputs. So 0, comma 0, 0, comma 0, 0, comma 0, 1, comma 0, 0, comma 1, and 1, comma 1, 0, comma 1, 1, comma 0, 1, comma 1, 0, comma 1, and 1, comma 0. This is what the table looks like on the basis of next states and whatever. Now examine any two states in same group have different transition to different groups. If so, they are distinguishable. If two states in same group have different transitions, then so group 1 was ABC. So A, F is going to P4 and B is going to P1. For B, D is going to F2, sorry, P2, and C is going to P1. And for C, F is going to P4 and E is going to P3. Let's compare A and B have different, A and B different, B and C different, A and C different. So A, B different, B and C different, and A and C is also different. So let's split them into, because P4, P2, P1, P3, and P1, P3 not equal, correct? So we will split them into three, A, B, and C. Let's split them. Let's define D and H. Let's define D and H. So if I try defining D and H, both are x equal to 0 at ZG, both are x equal to 1 at A, which is new group. Same transition going in the same group. So D and H will remain in the same group. Let's refine E and G. So for E and G, E has transition from D for P2 and C to C, and G has G to G and H to P2. So transition differ, and that means they will split. So E and G are separate. Final refined groups are the final refined groups are, after all this, then are A B C, A B C, DH and same, E F and G. Okay, now let's check again. Can any of them be merged? Can a merge किया जा सकता है क्या? So DNH will remain same. Okay. Uh, Now let's collapse equivalent states now to reduce. Look carefully. Some of these functionally equivalent even if transition look different. We will check equivalent behavior using implication table and distinguishable chart. So upon deeper analysis, we figured out that rather than going into deep implication, we will go equivalent state based on mutual indistinguishability. If you see, B and C are equivalent and E and G are equivalent via implication chart using deeper analysis. So final groups after collapsing are A, B, C, D, H, E, G, and F. So the final answer to this is 5. So the final answer to this particular question is 5. Okay. So this is an interesting question at the end, because here it requires a lot of knowledge on like FSM. People get confused here, but it is a good question. Okay, so the final answer is 5 here. But let's revise what we just did, because it is a TOC. TOC normally people feel a bit difficult to understand. We are given states and everything to us. कि कौन कहाँ जा रहा है, we are already given this information. So we will use that piece of information. Okay, let's quickly revise it. We are given like what happens at x equal to 0, what happens at x equal to 1 for next state and input output. Transitions are given. Okay. So let's try to understand it again. We can merge state A and C. We can merge the states A and C from the given table because the outputs are similar. So by checking the given transition table, we can merge B and E, D and H, because if you see B and E, they have same, and if you see D and H, D. So if you see B and E, they are the same. And if you see D and H, they are also somewhat same. We can merge them. After, ठीक है. So once we do that, the FSM will follow like as it is. So the answers will be like B will be replaced with BE basically, wherever it is, and E will be also replaced with BE. Okay, that we can like check accordingly. Then we figure out that A and C also can be merged. A और C को भी merge किया जा सकता है, because uh, A is coming out after merging of B and E and D and H. It is coming out to be like F and D, F and B, and C is also coming out to be F and B for transition points. And the outputs are same, 0, 0. So they can also be merged. So it the overall end table comes out to be this. The overall end table comes out to be present state is AC, BE, DH, and F and G. Okay. At next state, so let's call it next state, NS for 0 and 1. For 0, it is F and BE. The next state for 0 and 1 I'm talking about. So it is F and BE. It is DH and AC. It is G and AC. It is F and BE. It is G and DH. The outputs are for 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. These are the outputs. So we can easily figure out that there are total 5 states required to realize this particular FSM. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys.